Hi, I'm Komal. Today through this video, I'll show you some really simple Par Yoga exercise which will help you energize and which will help you relax at the same time. So these particular exercises are designed for toning of your body and it can be done every day. I would prefer 5 days in a week at least, and after 1 month you will love the result. I would recommend few Surya Namaskara 10 to 20 times according to your own capacity, and to be done as a warm up just before the exercise.
We will start with squat. When we are inhaling, we are lifting up, and we are exhaling, we are going down. Bending the knees is squatting down. But make sure when you're squatting down, your abdomen is really tight. Make that every squats work hard. As you inhale, lift up, and then you exhale, get yourself down. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. Repeat this for 30 count. Count 30 and repeat the same exercise for 30 times. Once 30 count are over, stay in the position and pulse. Pulse 10 times, staying in the same position, and then inhale and lift up. Inhale and lift up. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do this exercise for 10 repetition. In each count, feel inner high really working hard. Your core really working hard. Once you have done, lift, inhale, exhale, down. Lift, inhale, exhale, down. For the next exercise, I would like you to lie down on the mats, your spine down. As you lie down, make sure your spine is well rested. Arms stretched back and feet stretched forward. As you exhale, get your arms forward, try to touch your toes and then go back. Inhale, go back, exhale, come forward. Inhale, go back, and exhale, come forward. It's fine if you are not able to touch the floor. That is okay, but make sure your legs are not moving too much or lifted up above the floor. Don't forget to your breathing. You are inhaling, and then as you exhaling, you coming forward. Repeat this exercise for 10 count and then hold your feet in the hand. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. This will feel really good in those hamstring after all those leg workout and abdomen workout. We are going to do a dynamic variation of the boat pose. If you have a lower back issue, please make sure that you do not do it without support. Make sure that your hands are down rested. If you have a back issue, do the same exercise as she is doing right now. So make sure you are lifting your legs slightly above the floor. Now do the rowing position. Stretch your leg forward as you stretch your arm forward and bring your legs back. And then as you bring your hands back. As you exhale forward, inhale and back. We will do this for 20 or 10 repeats, whatever it is comfortable. It's quite challenging for your abdomen. Also, very good exercise for your lower ab or mid ab. Make sure that your abdomen is really engaged in this. Otherwise, your shoulders are going all the way down. So make sure your lower ab is tight and your upper ab is tight, and you are not letting your weight down toward the floor. Your back should not be feeling anything in this pose. You should be feeling more on your ab and little bit on your shoulder, but nothing on your back. Please check your position in each repeat. You can do 10 to 20 repeat. I would recommend you to 20 repeat, but if it is getting too much for you, you can rest after the 10 repeat and then you do more 10 repeat. Place the elbow down on the floor parallel to each other and your heels pushing back. Your back is completely straight, slanted, and make sure your back is not rocking down toward the gravity to the floor. So your abdomen should be really engaged here, otherwise you will be sinking down to the floor. Inhale, and as we exhale, we will lift the tailbone up to toward the ceiling. And again inhale 3 seconds and exhale back. Again inhale 3 seconds and exhale back. Each time you get into the plank, make sure you are not really working hard. Now I would like you to lie down on your stomach on your mat. Make sure that your hands are rested forward. Your head are rested on your hands. Feel comfortable in this position. Now lift your right leg up and down in this dynamic movement. As you inhale, lift up. As you exhale, lift down. Once your 10 or 20 repeats are done, shift to the other leg. Do the same exercise on the left leg. Make sure the entire leg is active. The knee is completely stretched and straight, and the entire leg is completely stretched over here. Keep doing this exercise for 10 to 20 count. The next exercise is both the leg up and down. So lift the leg up as we inhale, and as we exhale, we will place down. Make sure the entire leg is active again. When you lift your leg, your lower back is working hard here. Now we are going to lift the leg above the floor and make a V with the legs and get them back. Make sure your entire leg is completely stretched. Your breathing will be normal. Inhale and exhale during the movement. Repeat this movement for 10 to 20 counts according to your capacity. Once you're done, rest your leg down and rest your entire body.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and don't forget to share it, and please subscribe our channel. So thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.